You're listening to The Joint Force on AFN, and today we're joined by two special guests. We have Colonel Pat Dagon. He's the District Commander for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District, as well as Ms. Jen Regel. She's the Regional Program Manager for the U.S. Air Force Military Design and Construction Program for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District. My next question for both of you is, how can those who are interested in engineering or any of the career fields within STEM learn more about it?
Sure. The easiest place to start is at home, giving space for imagination to be utilized, get creative, explore how things work in nature and in play. And I'm not just talking to kids here. Keep your mind open as an adult, and it's incredible the things you'll learn. Secondly, master the basics. Understanding math and physics will open up a whole world for you. There's so many directions you can take it, and engineering is limitless once you understand and can master those basics. That's really how you create solutions and invent new ideas. More concrete and close to home, DODEA has created so many programs for our youth. USACE often partners with the schools to provide support to these programs. I've judged science fairs and supported interns and been involved in all sorts of things through USACE and DODEA together. They do great work, and it's always getting better and more interesting. Reach out to them, ask what STEM program is available in your area. I know we're broadcasting over a large AOR here, so it'll be limitless to see what's available to you and yours.
So I love that idea that you can start early, just even as a kid, or that it's never too late for adults. Can you speak a little bit more about any more types of mentoring programs that the Army Corps of Engineers offers?
We're absolutely and enthusiastically committed to STEM outreach. As you can imagine, our ability to provide supports, it's been impacted due to COVID. However, we recently connected engineers in Germany virtually with DODEA students in the UK to discuss engineering and its career opportunities. And we continue to work with DODEA and MWR throughout the year to take part in their career days and STEM events. The middle school on Heinerberg is our partner school, and we're always looking for opportunities to engage with them. And then finally, just Engineer Week is always this opportunity to highlight these events, and it always encourages new questions and new opportunities and helps us share our love of engineering. But one place you might start just to reach out to us is to go to our webpage. We've got a Twitter account, we've got Facebook, but it's just Europe District, U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and you can always find somebody willing to talk to you about STEM or engineering.
Such great information. Is there anything else you'd like to add, or what would you like to leave the members of Joint Force Nation with today?
First of all, just thank you very much for this opportunity. This is extremely exciting for us, and Engineer Week in general just gives Jen and I a chance to talk about the Europe District and our team members. But as important, it's a chance to talk about getting our kids involved and getting others interested in career in science, technology, engineering, and or math. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers prides itself on attracting the best STEM talent. Our goal is a workforce that represents society recruited nationally. And you might not know, we're the largest employer of female STEM professionals in the U.S. government. I always encourage everyone to stay curious, actively and aggressively pursue your education, and use your talent, creativity to join us in imagining tomorrow as we're highlighting throughout this Engineer Week.
What a great message. Thank you both so very much for your time. Again, that was Colonel Pat Dagon. He's the District Commander for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District, and Ms. Jen Regel. She's the Regional Program Manager for the U.S. Air Force Military Design and Construction Program for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District.